In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in Plus500. So to do this, first you must sign into your account, and then there's no native button to do this, so there's no button where you can just select your currency. However, you can still change it the way I'm going to show you right now. So currently, as you can see, I'm on euros, and this is the default currency my account was open in. And if I wanted to change this, all I have to do is close all the open positions and close all the open orders. So make sure there's no numbers next to this, no blue numbers. Make sure all of these are closed, okay? So you can close all with this button over here, and then of course here you can just cancel these as well, okay? Now make sure of course you know what you're doing over here, and whenever you've done this, you want to go to live support down here bottom left and click on live support, get answered quickly. Then you want to start a new conversation, and you simply want to tell them, hey, I would like to change my currency. I've already closed all my positions and orders. Can you please change it to me? I would like to change currency too. And then you can tell them whatever. So for example, in my case, I could do like dollars or something similar, and then they would say, okay, let's do it, and they would basically reset your demo account, or if you don't have a demo account, they will change your currency, and that way you can change your currency on Plus500 using the support chat, because their support are able to actually do this for you. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.